Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to replace a lost or stolen CommBank card. If your Commonwealth Bank card has been lost or stolen, the most important first step is to act immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. You can do this quickly and easily through the CommBank app or NetBank. To report your card and order a replacement using the CommBank app, first, log into the app and go to the Cards section. Select the card that is lost or stolen. Then, tap on the Lost, Stolen, or Damaged option. Choose Lost or Stolen and confirm your mailing address to have a new card sent out. This process cancels your old card and automatically orders a replacement. If you prefer to use NetBank, the steps are similar. Log into NetBank and navigate to Settings. Under Card Security and Limits, select Lost, Stolen, or Damaged cards. Find the card you need to replace, click Manage, and then select Cancel Card. Confirm your address to order a new card. Once you've reported your card, it's important to keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, you can raise a dispute with the bank. Your replacement card will be sent to the address you have on file and typically arrives within 7 business days. While you wait for the new physical card, you can often use a digital version of your card in your phone's digital wallet for in-store or online purchases. If you are overseas when your card is lost or stolen, you can still follow the same steps in the CommBank app or NetBank. You can also call the bank's 24/7 overseas number at +61 2 9999 3283 to report the issue. Be aware that a fee of $20 may apply for an emergency replacement card to be delivered to you while you are abroad. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.